looking Jimmy Hosson, German. And the race is on. Conquista Boy from the outside. Ruby Gentry, Balu Baron's Pride. Rancy stays from the outside. Dagger Look down on the inside. Is entry number 4, Senor Elijah. Let's now Balu Baron's Pride. Dagger Looks. And on the outside, Ruby Gentry, Senor Elijah. In between runners is Conquista Boy. Dagger Look, Balu Baron's Pride. Conquista Boy is running by the Ruby Gentry, Rancy Stay, Senor Elijah, and Sea Patrol. Rounding the far turn, Dagger Look, Balu Baron's Pride, Conquista Boy is on the outside. And here comes Rancy Stays. Another far turn, Balu Baron's Pride, Dagger Look, Conquista Boy, and Rancy Stays on the further outside as they race the final corner. Balu Baron's Pride from the outside, Conquista Boy down on the inside, Dagger Look, and Rancy Stays. Balu Baron's Pride, Conquista Boy is running by the rail. Conquista Boy, Balu Baron's Pride is on the outside, but Conquista Boy winning this race by 1 length over Balu Baron's Pride. Rancy Stays, Dagger Look, Sea Patrol, Ruby Gentry, and Senor Elijah comes last.
215.